be showing you how I grow seeds just like these in eggshells. This is a great idea when you're growing plants in eggshells. As soon as they're big like this, you can easily just plant them outside with the eggshell. First, we're gonna wanna get the eggshell, crack it all around to make it wider. We got the eggshell here. We're gonna wanna get some of this dirt and put it in the eggshell. Try to get it as much as you can in the eggshell. Push it all down, and then like that. Now that we're done with all that, put the seeds in and leave them here until they germinate like the others. And we'll go plant them over there in the garden. So there's some sugar snap peas. Usually you should just do one plant for each, just so they have their room. Now they're ready for germination. Just giving the plants their food. Right on that line per gallon. Give them their food every 14 to 17 days. I'm gonna go get some water for the plants. And there we go. So let's go to the greenhouse. All these plants have sprouted over the day.
So yeah, I water the plants very gently when I give them their water.